Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the mode on EZVIZ RS2 robot. To change the mode, you need to click on the mode button right here. You can also change the mode from the app. I'm gonna show you how to do it here, but from the app you can just click on the mode right here and change it. Now I'm gonna zoom in on that display, and here when I click on the mode now, it will change. So now it shows me the current mode, which is vacuum before mop, then vacuum and mop at the same time, then only vacuum, only mop. This is cleaning the mopping pads, and this is drying the mopping pads. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.